Divorce doesn't have to be a nightmare. Imagine finalizing everything without stepping into a courtroom. By choosing an amicable divorce, you save time, money, and stress. Let's explore how this approach can simplify your life. Consider a couple who agreed on terms up front, avoiding court entirely. They handled everything through paperwork, proving that a peaceful divorce is possible. This approach can be your reality too. Incorrect paperwork can delay your divorce significantly. Ensure all forms are complete and served correctly to avoid rejections. A client faced 3 rejections due to errors, but we helped them get it right. You don't always need an attorney for amicable divorces. Flat fee services offer transparency and cost savings. One client saved thousands by switching from an attorney to our service. With flat fee pricing, you know exactly what you're paying, no hidden costs or hourly billing. This approach ensures you avoid unnecessary legal fees while finalizing your divorce efficiently. E-filing eliminates the need for courthouse visits, speeding up document processing. We e-filed for a client, finalizing their divorce swiftly and hassle-free. This method can save you time and stress. By choosing these strategies, you'll navigate your divorce smoothly. Remember, an amicable approach, correct paperwork, and flat fee services are key. These steps ensure a quick and stress-free process. Ready to take control of your divorce? Contact divorce661.com for a free consultation. Let's make your divorce hassle-free with no stress and no unnecessary legal battles. Start your journey to a peaceful resolution now.